Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my powder foundation routine. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first and most important step is to make sure that you moisturize your skin really good. So I'm just taking this facial spray. It's like rose water from Mario Badescu, I think is how you say it. And then I'm taking a few of these oils from the brand called The Ordinary. It's a really affordable skincare line. I just purchased this and have been using it for the last several weeks. And I've really enjoyed it. I typically have oily skin, but this past winter, my skin's been on the drier side. Maybe just because I'm getting up there in age, I don't know. But I've been using this and loving it. So I'm just taking one drop of each of these different oils, rubbing them together, and then just rubbing it all over my face. Once I'm done, I just give that a moment to dry and set in because it is a little bit tacky at first. It does not leave any oily residue on my skin or anything like that. So once that's all dry, then I take my concealer, and here I'm using the Revolution brand. I love this stuff. It's got the big doe foot applicator, and I never skip concealer, guys, because I don't know if you can tell, but I have really dark under eye circles, and I just like to use this on my eyelids and underneath my eyes just to get rid of those dark circles and brighten it up. Then to blend that in, I'm just taking a wet makeup sponge. This is the Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm just using that to blend that in. The powder foundation that I will be using today is by It Cosmetics, and I am in the shade Light Medium. And then I'm going to be taking this big fluffy powder brush by e.l.f. It's $4. And I'm just going to be using that and dipping it in, swirling it around into the powder foundation, and then just buffing that in all over my face. This is such a quick, easy makeup application for moms on the go. I love doing this when I'm in a hurry in the morning. As you can see in the clock behind me, it's been like 5 minutes so far. Then once I'm all done, I just put on my eyebrows, I throw on some mascara, blush, bronzer, and a little bit of lip color, and that is it. Then I just take a moment and finish my hair, and here is the completed look with a little bit better lighting. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Maybe it's shown you that it doesn't take long at all to get ready in the morning. Hopefully you guys stick around for more videos and subscribe on your way out. I will see you all in the next video. Bye friends!